Jake Master 481.
Hey, has anyone seen my glasses?
Nope.
Are you guys sure?
Did you check the case?
Yeah, it's not there.
Bummer.
Hey yo, Jay, can you help me with something?
Yeah, just give me a second.
Eh.
198 minutes later.
Jeez, it took longer than I thought it would.
Yeah, that was.
Shoot, my food must be ready.
Wait, don't.
What happened?
The microwave blew up.
Oh, okay. Wait, what? Thanks, I guess.
Dude, what's wrong?
I just blew up the microwave, that's what's wrong.
Jake, I found a microwave in the garage.
Wait, really?
Yeah, it was just sitting there and...
We can never have anything nice, can we?
Wait, I just remembered something.
What?
My secret stash of cash.
What do you think's going on?
No clue.
What? Where's my cash?
Dude, I just remember what you spent it on.
Dang it, you're right.
Wait, what about our money?
Wait, yeah. Chris, you're bound to have something, right?
Funny story.
No way.
Now, just hear me out on this. I invested in CSGO skins.
You wasted all your money on that?
I mean, it was a good choice at the time.
Do you guys have any cash? Like, at all?
Nope.
Dang it.
Did you guys find anything?
No.
Now what?
Well, we still need cash for the microwave, but... Wait, I've got it.
What?
Okay, we're gonna need to split up, but here's the plan. Adrian and Angel, go get rid of all that old rape stuff in the garage. Anthony, I want you to try and find all the loose change you can in the house and see if you can get anything in the thrift store.
Oh my god. The thrift store?
Dude, our microwave just blew up. The quality of the next one should be the least of our concerns.
What about us?
You and I are...
Do a lemonade stand. I've always wanted to do a lemonade stand.
What? No, I was gonna...
Dude, I have everything ready.
How did you even...
Don't ask.
You know, this isn't really what I had in mind.
Here comes our first customer.
Hello there. How much for a glass of lemonade?
That'll be 75 cents.
$.
$75? For that, I should be getting the whole darn pitcher.
Please, sir. It's to,
It's to help the, starving children of the sun.
The sun?
Yes?
My family came from the sun. I'll take the whole darn pitcher. How much?
300.
Here, just take it all.
What? What even was that?
I have no idea.
The thrift store or the extremely expensive department store? Definitely the department store. I'd like this one, please.
Alright, that'll be $700.
Oof, this is all I have.
Sir, this isn't nearly enough.
Where's Anthony?
He said he'll be here soon. That was fast.
Jake, I got the microwave!
No way. How much did it cost?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I just sorta grabbed it.
Wait. Did you pay for this at all?
This is the police! Get down!
Maybe we can come up with some sort of deal. Here, I have the money to pay.
He's reaching for a weapon.
What?
Look, a distraction!
So you want a gunfight, huh?
Ugh, jeez, I feel like I just got shot or something.
Dude, you were shot.
You mean to tell me that wasn't some kind of crazy fever dream?
Nope.
You guys called 911 for the cops, but not for me?
Well, we were gonna.
But then we realized if we don't have money for a microwave,
Then there's no way we could afford the hospital.
Well, at least you guys didn't kill them.
Now what?